Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra MK4 out of Lego. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a fun and rewarding building experience. You'll learn how to select the right pieces and assemble them to capture the Supra's distinctive shape. Get ready to transform a pile of bricks into a legendary automotive masterpiece. This easy guide is perfect for builders of all skill levels, making your dream car a reality. To begin, gather your essential Lego pieces. You'll need a good selection of flat tiles, curved slopes, and standard bricks, primarily in white, red, or black to match the Supra's classic colors. Look for specialized pieces like 2x2 round bricks for headlights and 1x4 curved slopes for the body lines. Don't forget 4 wheel hubs and rubber tires to give your model a realistic stance. Having these ready makes the building process much smoother. Now, let's dive into the construction. Begin by building a robust 8-stud wide chassis, which will serve as the car's base. Next, focus on the front, carefully crafting the bumper and the Supra's signature pop-up headlights using small plates and tiles. As you move to the rear, pay close attention to shaping the distinctive spoiler and the detailed taillight assembly. This methodical approach ensures accuracy and a strong build. With the main structure complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Consider adding interior details such as a small steering wheel and 2 seats to enhance realism. Securely attach the 4 wheels, making sure they rotate smoothly for a dynamic look. Finally, find the perfect spot to display your magnificent Lego Toyota Supra MK4. It's a fantastic achievement, showcasing your building skills and passion for this legendary car.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.